Hello! If you love Speculoos and Biscoff spread and cookies, you're going to love this recipe, and it takes just 5 minutes to make. Here's how. With the heat turned off, add the cornflour, which will thicken the mixture, and the cocoa powder to colour the mixture, to a saucepan. Now whisk in the first cup of plant milk until smooth, followed by the rest of the plant milk. Then give it a whisk to combine. Turn the heat onto medium-low, add in the brown sugar, salt, and of course the Speculoos or Biscoff spread. Whisk constantly until everything dissolves. Once smooth, turn the heat up to medium and keep whisking until the mixture thickens. It happens really quickly, so pay attention. You can check to see if it's ready by dipping in a spoon. It should coat the back of the spoon. Turn off the heat, allow to cool slightly, and then pour into your serving glasses. Serve the custard warm, or cover, refrigerate, and serve cold. And there you have my Speculoos or Biscoff custard. Thanks for watching. Here's my subscriber update as of today. And if you want to click on more of my vegan videos, here they are.